Log into 711Proxy website. Enter the dashboard. Select Static Residential Proxies. Choose the IP you want to use. Select Added Sub-User. Select Proxy Host. Setting the output format. Click to generate. Proxy list is generated and ready to use. Enter DICloak. Click on Create Profile. Fill in the profile name and scroll down. Select the proxy type. Enter the proxy host, port, proxy account and password. Click Checking Proxy. Proxy detection was successful. Click Confirm to start using.